I'm here today with my group members to do our presentation on a problem that is really affecting us in our community, which is water pollution. But before I go further, I would like my colleagues to introduce themselves.
My name is Edison Musa. Water pollution. This is the release of substances into the bodies of water that makes the water unsafe for human use and destroy the aquatic ecosystem.
I am Edwin Momo. Well, some of the causes of water pollution in our community that is really affecting us is one of them is mining activity. Mining activity has really polluted waters in our community. Like for example, if mining activity is taking place closer to streams or rivers, definitely the water is going to be polluted because they are going to make use of that water, and it is going to destroy the aquatic organisms that are living in the water. Then the other one is dumping of waste into the water. That is the liquid and solid waste. When you dump the liquid and solid waste into the water, it is going to affect the health of people that are living in that community because they are making use of that water. Maybe they are drinking the water. So if you dump waste into the water, you are going to disturb their health. And the other one is agricultural activities. Then that is dumping of agricultural chemicals into the water. When you dump chemicals into the water, definitely you want to destroy the health of people and also the aquatic organisms that are living in that particular water. The other one is oil spillage. Oil spillage, like for example, if a vehicle is passing by closer to the water and definitely the tank of that vehicle gets burst, the oil that is coming from that vehicle definitely is going to be wasted into the water, and it is going to destroy the aquatic organisms that are living in the water. So it is going to destroy human health, and that's some of the causes of water pollution in our community so far.
I am Hassan Soloko. I hope you have heard what Eddie Momo has just said about the causes of water pollution. Now, I'm here to give you the effect of water pollution which has affected our community. Number one, health risks. When they say health risks, it means diseases can be contracted when you drink a polluted water. Like for example, fever, cholera, diarrhea, etc. etc. Number two, water pollution has restricted access to safe and clean drinking water, which has affected pregnant women, lactating mother, children, and so forth. The next one, economic impact, and the other one, which has affected our community, destruction of ecosystem, and the last one is loss of biodiversity.
The possible solution which we have put so far is number one is construction of an alternative water source by providing safe and clean drinking water, like for example dam and tap. Like for example, the reason why water pollution is affecting people in the communities as a result of they are not having dam and tap. But we are thought it fit that we are going to construct dams and tap in to this community for them to stop suffering from water pollution. Then the number two is waste recycling. Like we are going to gather all the youth in the community. We are going to tell them that we are going to gather the waste in some area. Like the reason why we are going to gather this waste is plastic. We are going to use them for agricultural purposes, and also the rubbers we are going to use them to decorate our community. Like for the rubber we are going to use them to construct like ashtray, candle stand, flower vase, and all other things. And also the metal we are going to use them to make cooking stove, cooking pot, and also cutlasses. Then the number three is water conserve. Like what we mean when we say water conserve, like we are going to preserve the water for it not to be polluted in the community. We are going to add something like chemical like chlorine and camphor. And the other thing is awareness raising in the community. Like we are going to tell the community that this is how you should use the water, this is how you should not use the water. You should not engage the community on how they should use the water, what they should not decompose into the water. Like they should not put into the water like those waste material. When we talk about waste material, like we are talking about either solid or liquid, because we have two types of waste material. Then the other one is wastewater treatment. When we are talking about wastewater treatment, we are trying to talk about the water which we have used, how we should manage it not to cause harm into the community. Like the other way which we have put is wastewater treatment. Like we are in the community, we are going to dig a big reservoir where we will be depositing our wastewater. so that people can get it accessibly whenever they want to water their plants. So far, these are the solutions. And lastly, we are going to incorporate the waste material which will serve as local fertilizer in the community, which we can use the fertilizer for it to cause more nutrients to the plants. So we are team sustainable
Savers.
Bye.